To our viewers in the United States and around the world, my name is Mariano Vula. And it's a great regret to tell you, and I know that some of you all actually know the news, and that is that the Academy Award nominated actor, better known for his wonderful, magnificent performance as Lawrence of Arabia, Peter O'Toole, had passed away today peacefully in the hospital in London, surrounded by family and friends. And it is very unexpected, because as we all know, he has been long retired from movies for quite some time. And of course, we haven't really sure about what he's been doing these days. And of course, to hear about his death, of course, is very unexpected. But at the same time, it's pretty saddening, especially fans of his films. What can I say? We actually lost a very great legend in both screen as well as the stage. And of course, like I said, it's been a long time. It's been long since he actually long retired from films, And of course, we haven't really sure about what he's been doing these days and everything. But what can I say? A very sad day today, isn't it, for the entire entertainment industry, and especially the fans of his, of his films. He is a very talented individual, and of course, he will be remembered for not only for all the roles that he actually played throughout the 44 years of his career, but of course, most importantly, the character in Lawrence of Arabia. And what can I say? So, that being said, Sir Peter O'Toole, may you rest in peace.